Hello and welcome to Trade. Sorry, this video is coming in a bit late today. We'll just quickly see what is my trade plan for tomorrow in Nifty and Banknifty. So this is the daily chart of Banknifty, where again we have made a nice big bearish candle, and we have a very important support that's coming in at this level, that is 37,935, around 38,000. So in case we slip tomorrow, this would be a place where I'm expecting some kind of a bounce closer from this level. And this bounce is not a bounce that is going to make the market bullish. It is just a retracement, because we have had a nice almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days of selling. So some retracement up to some level is possible. So we are going to see that till where the retracement might happen in our 15-minute chart. Before that, we'll just see what's happening in the Dow Jones. See, all through the morning, right, this Dow Jones was trading at about 300 plus, 200 plus. So thought, yeah, maybe a bounce will come. But again today, they're back to minus 90 or minus 180. So again, they have dipped. And this is again putting us in a 140 point gap down. SGX Nifty is indicating around 140 point gap down. And the US market is still on, so we'll have to see whether they close in positive or negative. We'll just open the Dow Jones chart and see the structure, how is it being formed. So this is the 15-minute chart of Dow Jones. It doesn't look good. Previous day low is broken, and they're trading at a very crucial point of 29,000. So from here, whether we're going to get a bounce or further break, that we'll have to wait and watch. But now coming to our Bank Nifty 15-minute chart. Now why I'm saying there is see, this line over here is nothing but this major 2 times where we have bounced, right? So that is what I marked here. And in case the bounce comes, there'll be 2 places where we can take resistance. One is this, that is 38,600. The other is almost 38,900. This is too far away. And then we have this gap fill. If we go higher, maybe we will even fill this gap. But that is too much to expect for one day. In a bearish market, getting a retracement of 1,500 points, say we get a gap down from here, pull until here, is a bit too much to expect. But an retracement from here, probably a quick up move until 38,600 is also possible, or 38,900. Now why this up move might come, if we check the RSI, right, the price is making a lower low, but the RSI is making a higher high. Some bullish divergence is there on 15-minute and especially even on hourly time frame. This is the hourly chart, and if you can see the RSI and the price action. Now what is divergence? There's a video on my channel, you can go ahead and check that, where the price is indicated making a higher high and the price is making a lower low. Some kind of divergence is there. So a gap down is for sure. As of now, it looks like a gap down, but we'll have to see whether the US market recovers or not. So if we get a gap down, maybe we will gap down around this point in Bank Nifty, somewhere close to 37,940. Now if I put on the daily CPR and go back to our 15-minute chart, see, we also have S1 over here. So if this level holds, right, tomorrow in the opening, say somewhere we gap down here and get a quick dip, if this level holds, there will be a quick reversal until the CPR, that is for sure. Now after hitting the CPR, whether we are going to go further higher or again take a turn on the downside, that we'll have to wait and see in the market during the market hours. But I'm expecting some sort of a retracement. Now if we can check how much the retracement can come, we'll just go to the hourly chart and see from where this fall started. The fall started from here. There was a beautiful, like an evening star, and then the fall started on an hourly chart, right? So from here, and say expect we get a gap down from here. So retracement until this 38%, 23%, or even until the 38% of around 39,300 is possible. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. And now looking at Nifty, see, today Nifty beautifully filled this gap which was pending to be filled. It filled this gap and some bounce has come. Always when a gap fill happens, some bounce will be there on the upside, and Nifty showed more strength than Bank Nifty. If you compare the chart with Bank Nifty, right? See, in the end, Bank Nifty, when we got the sell-off in the last hour, at around 2 o'clock, but Nifty didn't slip much, like the day's low didn't break. So Nifty is pretty clear, it is in this range. The price action itself is suggesting, right? There's no any big analysis required over here. If this range breaks out, probably we will fill this gap on the upper side. The retracement can come until 17,300. Breaking 17,300 and going higher, I'm not expecting. And if this level breaks on the downside, right, probably we can slip until these are the points that I can mark, that is 16,870, and this gap is there. If we come down, maybe we'll fill this gap. Maybe this gap fill will happen eventually, but not tomorrow. But this is something to keep a track of, because there's a nice big gap on the downside and a nice big gap on the upside. See, very less, like 2 days we consolidated in this range, right? And day after tomorrow is the expiry. So at least if majority of the day remains sideways, post 2 o'clock or 2:30, a lot of people would want to square off their monthly positions because of the monthly expiry. Some move is expected either on the upside or on the downside, depending on these levels. That is depending on this type of box, right? Whatever this correction is, within this, if it breaks out, probably we can go higher, break down on the downside, and same thing in Bank Nifty. Now just looking at this hourly chart, just come to an hourly chart. See, a lot of people, when this move came, right, a lot of people who have entered here would have kept the stop loss as low as this, that is 37,955. So if we come here, there's a good chance of bounce. But if this level breaks for some reason, right, the market continues to fall and this level breaks, we could see a much quicker and a bigger fall. Probably is very less chance that that might happen, but if it happens, yeah, we could see a fall until 37,500 also. So this is a trade plan. For the best thing to do tomorrow is just wait, and definitely we'll get some good chance later on when we understand how the market is going. If we are getting a retracement, these are the levels on the upside that we will look to buy calls tomorrow. Thank you.